Okay, guys, I'm with the South African football legend and now a coach, Mr. Bernard Parker. Welcome.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.
I have a few questions for you and I hope you can answer them.
I hope so. I hope it's easy questions.
Yeah, who formed TS Galaxy?
Mr. Tim Sukazi.
What is Mandela's surname?
Mandela.
Next. Hey.
Who's the most famous Ndebele person you know?
Solomon Mahlangu.
And name two of the biggest radio stations in Mpumalanga.
Of course. Ligwala Gwala. Ikwekwezi FM.
Okay. Yeah. And what does SABC stand for?
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
South African Broadcasting Channel. Yes, South African Broadcasting Channel. Something like that.
Wow. Back to Limpopo.
What does Wi-Fi stand for?
Yeah. Now,
Yena, I queen.
that one. No. That's absolutely, I don't know.
Alright.
And what is heavier between 10 kgs of rocks and 10 kg of feathers?
10 kg of frogs
Rocks
is heavier
than 10 kg of feathers.
a 10 kg of frogs.
What do we call a person from India?
An Indian.
A person from South Africa?
South African.
A person from Poland?
A Polish.
A person from Czech Republic?
A Christian. Czech Republic. I told you said Church Republic. A Czech. He's a Czech.
I am the one.
What animal is on a 20 rand note?
Okay, buffalo.
Jesus.
List the big 5 animals.
Rhino, buffalo, elephant, lion, and the cheetah. No.
Wow.
Which 2 radio stations did TS Galaxy collaborate with?
TS Galaxy collaborated with the 2 best radio stations in Mpumalanga is Igwala FM and Ikwekwezi FM.
And what is 99,000 plus 1?
That's 100,000. 99,000 is 99,000 plus 1. It's you got me there. 100,000.
Sifumane usemkhanyweni wobumnandi ilwazi ifundo zemidlalo nendaba Ikwekwezi FM kukhanya ba